Hey, thanks for joining us again here at MarineMax Clearwater. I'm Aaron, here to show you our 60th anniversary edition Boston Whaler 110 Sport. The 110 Sport's one of the most popular yacht tenders I ever come across. It's typically a little less expensive than a lot of the inflatables on the market, and obviously a lot more durable. Also lighter as well, so putting a little less strain on that hydraulic platform, a little less weight in the back of the boat or on a davit system. So you do have some storage in the anchor locker. Up in the front, looks like this one also includes the white stamoid boat cover. Maybe a helm cover, I'll have to take a look. But great little runabout. Rated for up to 4 passengers. Powered by a 25 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury engine. And we built this one with the white stamoid bimini as well. So give us a call at MarineMax Clearwater today for any other questions regarding the Boston Whaler 110 Sport 60th Anniversary Edition.